If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Shopify, this guide will help you navigate the process step by step. Follow these instructions to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify account by visiting the Shopify website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you are logged in as the account owner or have the necessary permissions to manage billing. Step 2. Navigate to Billing Settings. Once logged in, go to the Settings section located at the bottom left corner of the admin dashboard. From there, click on Billing to view your current billing information and subscriptions. Step 3. Review active subscriptions. In the Billing section, look for a list of your active subscriptions. This will include any recurring charges associated with apps or services you are using. Take note of which subscriptions you want to cancel. Step 4. Cancel the desired subscription. Click on the subscription you wish to stop. You should see an option to cancel or manage the subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to read any information regarding the cancellation policy. Step 5. Confirm cancellation and check for confirmation email. After cancelling the subscription, you should receive a confirmation message on the screen. Additionally, check your email for a confirmation message to ensure that the cancellation has been processed successfully. By following these steps, you can effectively stop any unwanted recurring charges on your Shopify account. If you have further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Shopify support for additional help.